Hello, I am Purvi Maru and I am welcoming you all to my channel Food, Health and Acupressure, where we'll be talking about food and acupressure every Monday, Wednesday and Friday in Hindi and on every Sundays in English. Today we'll be talking about acupressure points for diabetes. Diabetes is a metabolic disease that causes high blood sugar. The hormone insulin, which is secreted by pancreas, moves sugar from blood into your cells to be stored or used as energy. By any reason, if the pancreas don't make enough insulin or stop making insulin, then that may cause diabetes. Diabetes is of two types. The first one is type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disease. It means that the pancreas stop making insulin. The people who are suffering from this problem need to take insulin injections. Then comes type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is a metabolic disorder. It can occur to anyone. So now let us know what are the causes of type 2 diabetes. The reason for diabetes may be hereditary, or you can also say it as genetic. That if you are having this problem of diabetes, then your further generation, your children may also suffer from this problem. Previously, it was age related problem. Like people from 40 to 45 age or 35 age were more likely to have diabetes. But right now, it is that anyone or person of any age can have this problem. Talking about foods, you should not eat outside food. To avoid refined flour and added sugar, try having natural sugar. Natural sugar is the sugar which we get from fruits, vegetables, that is called as natural sugar. Try intaking that and also eat nutritious food. So now let us know about acupressure points. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe. Do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative videos. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then do click on the link in the description box. So our both the points are on the front side of our hand. Okay. So our first point now, see, if you go straight down from the ring finger, okay, if you go straight down and where this lifeline, two lifelines are there, if they are matching, over here is our acupressure point. See properly. See, when you can see this 2, 1 and over here, two lifelines are there. If you go down straight from the center of the middle finger, see over here, this is our point. So what you need to do is, on this point you can press properly, okay, you'll feel a bit pain, press it properly for 2 to 3 minutes. Then what we can do, you can apply blue color on this point, okay, properly apply blue color all over this point, okay. According to color therapy, blue color indicates fire. So it will help your pancreas to boost up, to work more. So apply blue color. And before eating food, 20 minutes before eating food, press this points properly. Press this point properly. It will help you. 20 minutes before eating your food. Okay? Press this point properly. You can also apply seed therapy on this point. For that, we'll take fenugreek seed and paper tape. Paper tape you can get in any medical store. So now, like this, we have made tape for pancreas point. We'll apply this tape on this point properly. See, like this. Okay. See, like this. Okay. Apply properly over here. Press it whenever you are free. Okay. Our second point is on our middle finger. You can see this first joint of the middle finger. You can see this first joint of our middle finger. If you draw a line from the exact center of that, okay, exactly in the middle is our point. See properly. On the first joint of the middle finger, if you draw a straight line in the middle, then you can see exactly in the center is this point. See properly, this point is called as SP3, spleen meridian's third point. So what we will do over here, we will just, with the help of a jimmy or pen, backside of a pen or pencil, you can just give pressure on this point properly. Okay, and then you need to press this point for 4 to 5 minutes, and after that we'll do seed therapy over here. For that we'll take paper tape and fenugreek seed. So like this, we'll take a piece of paper tape, on that apply a single fenugreek seed like this, and then place that tape on this point properly. Okay, you need to apply this both tapes for 8 to 10 hours. You can do this treatment on the other hand also. That means these points are bilateral. You can do these points on both the hands. Do it, and whenever you remove it, throw it. Do not use the same seeds again. Apply take new paper tape and new seeds daily. Okay, do this treatment daily. You will definitely feel the results. That's all for today. Thank you.